This video will show you how to add a video in Google Docs. So this is very easy, but if you go ahead and click Insert, you can see you can't typically add a video directly in Google Docs. We can, however, use this very simple workaround. So what you need to do is open a new tab and then search for Google Drive. You can either search it in Google, or if you go to Google Apps in the top right hand corner, you can go ahead and click on Drive. Now once you're in Google Drive, you can go to File in the top left hand corner, click on File Upload, and then find your video file you want to add. So I'm going to click on it and we'll click on Open. Once you've got it uploaded, go to Recent, and then you'll see it. It'll be the first one. You can go ahead and then right click on Share, click on Share again, and then you can change it from restricted to anyone with the link, and then click Copy Link. Now we'll go back to Google Docs and you can paste this link in. So here is our link. We can then highlight it, right click, and then you need to click Insert Link, and this link will now go to this video. If we click it, we will need to wait for the video to process before we can get the preview window. Now what I would recommend you do is click on the link, and then before you play it, if you go to the search bar, you can type in here Snipping Tool, and then just go ahead and select the video thumbnail here. Now it should be copied to your computer. You can then go back to your document and then simply paste in it. So now we've got it pasted in. We can now go ahead and copy this link again. Then if you click on your image, you can right click, click Insert Link, and then paste the link onto this image. Now when someone comes to the document, they can click on the image, and then they can go ahead and click onto the video. This is the only way you're going to get video on Google Docs, and it is a great workaround.